Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tables on Wix. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure to click on search right here and search in here for CMS. Now from in there, what you can do is you can click on this one and then make sure that your CMS is enabled. So in here, I have here my CMS, which means that I can actually do this table right here and form a data set, all of this thing right here. You can also access it by clicking on this icon right here. And you can see in here that my CMS is actually enabled. So what I can do in order to add in a table is I can actually click on this plus link. And then from in there, let's just click on this list. Now under the listing right here, you should be able to see the tables. So click on tables. Then from in there, you can see a lot of table samples that you can choose from in order to add this in here. So I will just choose what kind of table I want. So for this, I will choose this one. And I will just put this on a specific part of my page right here. So you can choose what page you want to add this into. But for me, I'll just put this right here. So I will just head over and then just drag this thing right here. And then I will just position it from here. So as you can see, it has been added, but it is actually obstructing some elements. So I can actually just move that around in order to accommodate this group that I have open on this table. So in here, you can see this. This actually just the template. So you can click on manage table right here in order to change the options right here. So just click on this one, or just click on the three dots, look at edit the label or the field name as well. So if you click on edit table, you can actually edit what it looks like. For example, I will put in here plan type. I will click on done. Now under that, we have here the three dots again. Click on this edit field name. You can see that. And put in here plan type as well. And then in here, you need to put in here a plan type data. So in order to put that plan type data, what we can do is we can actually head over to CMS itself. And then in here, we should have our collections. And we have here the collections that we have. We can create any collections if you want. And then from in there, you should be able to see it through. So click on create collection. You can click on get started right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. You can start from scratch as well. It can be multiple items. So for me, I'll put in here plan type. Then click on create. And then from in there, it will actually allow me to open this plan typing here. Now, when I put some data on this specific preset, I should be able to add in here some new things. So for me, I'll just add in here some things. I will add a title. And then I will add in here premium, for example. And click on save. Now I have here this premium. I can add another item, which is free. Then in here, it is what it looks like. Now I will just save that. And then now that is what it looks like. Now when I close this, you can see the plan type data. I can manage it out and then just link it in here. You can see the rows, the dates format, as well as editing. It will take some time in here to finish the loading process. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.